Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install the YouTube app in Windows 11. Let's begin. First, open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge on your PC and go to the YouTube website, youtube.com. Once the site is open, look at the top right corner of your browser. In Chrome, click the three dots menu, then go to More Tools and select Create Shortcut. Check the box that says Open As window, then click Create. In Microsoft Edge, you can do the same by clicking the three dots menu, selecting Apps, and then clicking Install this site as an app. After that, YouTube will be installed as a standalone app on your Windows 11 PC. You'll find it in the Start menu or even pin it to your taskbar for quick access. Now you can open YouTube directly like a normal app without needing to open the browser first. And that's it! You've successfully installed the YouTube app in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.